Hey guys, Airdrop want to share again. I am glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome, and you've been here with us, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever new videos are being dropped in the channel regarding airdrops and equally other informations about all projects I've been mining on this community together. So guys, without waste of our time, in today's video, I'll be actually showing us how to equally do your KYC on Alta protocol. And congratulations for people that have actually positioned themselves and mine the Alta protocol. Even though I in person did not actually mine much Alta protocol coin. I just mine a little pieces. But in today's video, I'll be strictly showing us how to equally go about the KYC. After you might have actually opened the app or launched the app, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now the next thing that you'll be doing, you tap on this particular button that says airdrop. All right, okay, this particular button that says airdrop, this one here that I'm pointing with the arrow. Now tap it. Okay, now tap the option. All right, once you tap that particular icon, rather button that says airdrop, now it's actually going to bring you to this particular page. All right, once it brings you to this page, as you can see, let me confirm to you guys that the mining has ended. Now I'll be tapping on this option that says mine. It's time to mine, this particular option. Now I'll be tapping this particular icon or rather that option to confirm to us that the mining has actually ended. It was just few days back that it has actually ended. Now let's tap on this particular button. Now I tap it. Now you scroll down like this, you scroll down. All right, after you scroll down, this is the exact button that we do tap to actually activate our mining session. Now you tap on this particular place. All right, now once you tap it, now you see the pop-up message. Look at it. It says thank you for taking part in our airdrop initiative. As previously announced, the airdrop has closed. Keep checking our Telegram and X for future updates. Listing pre-sale information. So guys, as I've said it, it has equally or rather it has actually ended. Understand? Now let's go back. But for people that will be equally doing the pre-sale, their pre-sale is going to commence on 10th of this month, roughly 5 to 6 days that is actually coming. So if you want to actually partake in the pre-sale, then I will still equally show you. But let's just go with the option of the KYC guys. And let's go back. Now, this is the particular button that you'll be tapping if you want to commence your KYC. Okay, it says complete digital identification. Now let's tap that particular button. Okay, all right, just tap on this particular button. Okay, now once you've tapped on this particular button, this particular page will appear like this or will be displayed on your screen like this. Now choose either male or female according your gender accordingly. If you're a male, you tap on this particular male button. If you're a female, you tap on this particular um button of female. All right guys, now I'm a male, so I'll be tapping on this particular male button. All right, now you scroll down a bit. They said follow us down. The first activity that you'll be doing, you'll be following them on their X. All right, that's the first activity that you'll be doing. They said after following, say follow us on tags on Twitter or X by tapping on this particular icon. This is the icon that you tap in. It actually going to direct it to your X account. He said after following us on X, take a screenshot of your Twitter page and upload it here to confirm to us that you are following us. Now let's take this process at a time, guys. All right, let's take it at a time. Now let's tap on this particular button. All right, now let's tap it, guys. All right, it will ask you to open your X account. Now you tap on your X account. All right, now once you tap it, it's actually going to direct you to their official handle page. Now once you've actually now what you'll be doing, you're going to follow them by tapping on this particular button. As you can see, I'm already following them. You understand? What I normally do, any project I'm going to embark on, I actually follow them on their X. Equally, if they have Twitter community and also Discord community, I do follow them so that I will not be left behind on any information that will be passing. So it's very paramount. Each and every project I'll be dropping, guys, endeavor to actually follow their handle so as to be seeing information over there. All right, now once you follow them, all right, now you'll be going back. All right, you'll be going back to the app, to the Alta Protocol app. Understand? But before then, you screenshot this particular page, signifying that you've actually followed them. You understand? All right. I equally tap on this place and said all tweets that they made. Let me be seeing it, and this following. Now let's screenshot this particular page, guys. All right. Now screenshot this particular page. I've just screenshot this page. Now I'll be showing you where to upload it. Now let's go back to our account. All right, and continue the steps. We are now back to our Alta Protocol KYC page. Now the next steps that we'll be doing for the KYC is equally subscribing to their channel. This particular option. Understand? They said after subscribing to the channel, our channel, start this bot to copy your UID. Then inside the UID, in the box provided below the page to authenticate your subscription. Now we'll be tapping on this particular button here. All right, make sure you have Telegram account. If you don't have, create Telegram account, download it from either Google Play Store or from Apple Store. Now let's tap on this particular button that I've just pointed with the arrow, this one right here. Now let's tap it. Once we tap it, it's actually gonna open our Telegram. All right, now they said let's open our Telegram. Now once you tap it, it will open its the Alta Protocol page directly. You understand? Now once you actually open it like this, once it actually open, you'll be seeing join here. All right, you'll be seeing the option for join in this particular place. Mine is showing mute because I've equally joined their channel since, so that's why you're seeing mute. But what you'll be doing, if it's your first time, you tap on that particular button and tap on join. Once you've joined, then you're good to go. Now what you'll be doing next, now let's still go back to our app. All right, we are done with the second step, guys. Now the next step, we'll be uploading that screenshot that we've uploaded in this particular option, this particular box here. Now we'll be uploading the screenshot that actually signify that we've actually followed them on their X. You understand? That's the screenshot we've actually screenshot when we follow them on their X account. That's the particular screenshot that we'll be uploading. All right. Now tap on this particular box and upload. And once we are done with that, now the next thing, you'll be inputting your X username. But for people that don't know their how to actually locate their X username, let me quickly show us. Let's go hit back to our X account and show us, or rather our X app, and equally show us how to get your username. All right, now let's hit over to our X account, guys. Once you open your X account, this particular place, you'll be tapping on this particular place here at the top left hand side. Now once you tap it, now you can see your username here, this particular username here, this down, the one at Airdrop Hunt 02. That's my username. So once you tap, you follow the same prompt and it has actually opened this page. Now this particular place is your username that it will be displaying. So copy your username, or rather write it down where aside, then you'll be inputting it at that particular place, guys. All right, now let's go over to our Alta Protocol app and continue with the process. All right, this is the particular page that will be inputting our username for X, or rather formerly known as Twitter. Now this is a particular place. Now you tap it, right? Now input your username. As you've all seen, mine was, you have to start with this at, alright. Now you tap it, Airdrop Hunt. Okay. Airdrop Hunt 02. So you'll be inputting your own username, alright. And be able to equally upload the screenshot here, alright. You tap in and upload, then input your X username here. Once you're done, then you insert your Telegram UID. How do you get this your Telegram UID? Now this is the place you're going to tap this particular option that says start button here. Now you'll be tapping on this particular option. Once you tap it, it will open your Telegram and give you a certain UID that you'll be imputing it down below the space provided. Now let's tap on this particular button. All right, I'll be tapping it, start this spot. This is the particular place I'll be tapping. Now I'm gonna tap it. All right, now once I tap it, it will still redirect me. Now let's allow the page to actually open. All right, now my Telegram app will open automatically. All right, now it says start. You'll be tapping on this particular button that says start down below. All right, now once you tap it, now you tap it and wait for it to respond. All right, now this is the UID it has given us. This is the exact UID that you'll be imputing. Now you copy on this UID, guys, this particular UID. All right, now copy on this UID. This is the particular UID that you'll be imputing on that place. Now let's tap it. All right, it says text copied. Now we'll be going back to our app, all right, and input this UID has been provided. Okay, now let's go back to our app, guys. All right, guys, we'll be pasting the UID here. All right, the UID we've just gotten, you'll be tapping it, you'll be pasting it here. All right. Guys, if you're getting value from what I'm actually dropping, don't forget to actually subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever new updates are being dropped on this on the mining apps and equally airdrops that we are running. All right, guys. Now, we'll be submitting it after we've actually done this. Now, the what we did was we equally follow them on their X, follow their channel, or rather subscribe to their channel. Then we upload the screenshot of the page where we follow them on their X. Then we now imputed our X username down below and equally imputed our UID. Now the next thing that we'll be doing, we'll be submitting, guys. We'll be submitting the proof down below here. Submit data. Now we'll be tapping it, alright. Endeavor to follow all those steps, and equally the first step was to equally choose your gender up. Now after then we'll be tapping on this submit button. Now let's tap on this. It says processing. Alright, see processing. Let's wait. Okay. Alright, it's actually showing some ads. Alright, now let's wait for the, let me pause the video so that the ad will actually finish first. Alright, after the ad has finished running, now what you'll be doing, you just wait for a little seconds, then you tap on this X up here. Alright, now you'll be tapping it. Alright, now once you tap it, okay, it says, now look at the message. It says information submitted. Alright, it says information submitted. Alright, it says, thank you for your submission. We have got it and it has been validated by the system. Continue to recommend on a daily basis and prepare for our pre-sale. Have an incredible day. So guys, we are done with the KYC. Alright, as you can see the message, we've been ticked good like this. Then we'll be tapping on this close button. Alright, that means we're done with the KYC, guys. So that's it, guys. You see, we've gotten a verification batch up here. Once you followed my same exact result, same exact steps, you get the same exact result, guys. That's just it for the KYC, guys. Now pertaining to distribution, now they've just equally made a tweet on their X handle. Now let's hit over to the X handle and see how the distribution will actually look like, guys. All right, now let's hit over to the X handle. All right, this is their official handle. As you can see, they've just made this tweet just 2 hours ago. All right, now let's tap on this particular option that says show more. Then we'll see what they said fully, guys. All right, now they said we're excited to announce our token distribution plan, giving you control over your mine tokens and maximizing their value. Here's the breakdown. Now, total of what you've mined, you'll be given 20% of it. They said upon listing, 20% of your mine tokens will be immediately available for withdrawal. This ensures liquidity and welcome early investors. So that's, if you do the calculation yourself, total mine coins, you understand, then you do it on your calculator, then you see how many coins you'll be given, alter protocol coins you'll be given. All right, now they said lock. Now the second thing, all right, is the lock your tokens and earn more. They said the remaining 80% of your mine tokens are subjected to vesting period. You have the option to lock these tokens to earn increase interest based on the choose lock duration. That's to tell us, guys, that the percentage that you'll be locking. Now if you're going to lock it for a year, or rather it starts from 3 months. If you're going to lock it for just 3 months, you'll be given zero interest rate. If you're going to lock it for 6 months, as you can see here, you'll be given just 15% interest. If you're going to lock it for 1 year here, as you can see, you'll be given 40%, guys. So it depends. So just follow the tweet, guys. Just follow everything and read the information. All right. And they said number 4, they said easy access and no hidden fees, which is this particular option here. They said all distributed tokens will be sent directly to your ATPO default wallet for your convenience. That's the Alta Protocol wallet. If you've actually created the account and mine, that's to tell you your phrase, or rather your passphrase that you've been given. Just keep it safe so that you won't lose your coins. All right. They said there is no additional fees associated with receiving your tokens except for standard network fees when transferring. So guys, just follow each and everything here and read it for your own clarification, guys. So that's just it for the Alta Protocol KYC, guys. If you have any question, comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and equally like the video, guys. By doing that, you help YouTube algorithm to push the video to others who have not actually watch the video or rather struggling to do their KYC, guys. You can equally share it directly to people via the share button, or rather you copy the what's it called? You copy the share link, alright. Copy to people who actually need it. Alright guys. That's it for today. See you in my next subsequent videos, guys. Peace out.